Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I am going over a absolutely massive haul. I will try and get through it quite quickly, but there is two huge boxes next to me. These are from the fantastic website called Click Marketplace. You may have heard me mention them before. These items were really kindly gifted to me so that I can show you exactly the sort of things that you can get from their website. If you haven't heard of them, they're a little bit like Home Bargains, B&M, Savers, that kind of shop, but you get it all online. They also do a huge range of American foods and snacks. So if you haven't watched me and Peter do our American snack tasting video, then go give it a watch. They do like bundle boxes. So I have got a cleaning box to go through. So it is a box full of cleaning products for a really low price, and then they also do like big bundle boxes of like cakes, crisps, drinks, American food again. Like I say, there is loads and loads of choice on the website. It's also free delivery if you spend over £35. And I have got a discount code for you to use. So if you are a first time customer, then you can get 20% off your order. So if you use Carly Elizabeth 20, that'll get you 20% off. Or if you are a returning customer, then use Carly Elizabeth 10 and it will get you 10% off your next order if you've already bought from them before. But yeah, I will leave all the details for them below. They're a really lovely company and it's just really great that you can get all these things straight to your door, no messing, quick delivery. And yeah, I'll get straight into the video and show you everything that I've got. So the cleaning box bundle that you can get is $19.99 and I will go through each of the items that are in it. So for the $19.99, which has got a recommend retail price of around £30 I think, you get absolutely loads of stuff. So you get one of these mammoth kitchen rolls. That is the first thing in there. You also get one of these Oxy Active Plus fabric stain removers. I am so glad actually, because I really needed something to get stains out. Ice lolly stains, ketchup stains, those sorts of things on the kids' clothes just drive me insane. So if you haven't used this before, this is really good as well. So that comes in this cleaning box as well. It's just really good if you just need to stock up on cleaning things and you need a little bit of everything, then it's just all done for you. You could get it every couple of months or however often you get through your cleaning products. But yeah, this is a nice big one of these that comes in the box. Next, and now I'm a big fan of Astonish and there's loads of Astonish products in here, and this is the multi-purpose cleaner with bleach. I don't think I've actually bought this one before, but yeah, I do find Astonish works really well for cleaning. So I've got a multi-purpose cleaner there, and then an antibacterial surface cleanser. So that's really good because there's no bleach or anything in there and no odour, so that is really good for obviously your worktops, your fridge and things like that. I've also got the Astonish window and glass cleaner. I love the fact that I've got all these and they're all matching. That's really sad, but that will give me so much satisfaction when I put them away under the sink and everything can be in a nice neat line. Not tried this before, this window cleaner. I don't have much luck with windows. I seem to just not be very good at it. So maybe this will give me a bit more luck. We shall give that a try. We next have the power cleaner with ammonia. This is really good for stubborn stains, so a good one for me to have because I am forever trying to get up stubborn stains. And you can use it on floors, paintwork, baths and tiles, sinks, toilets, work surfaces, drains and surrounding areas. So yeah, another one that I've not tried before. So I do like to try new cleaning products. I am gonna have a real good spring clean with all of these. Next up, some bathroom cleaner. Again, Astonish bathroom cleaner. This is really good. I have used this before. Tough on soap scum, watermarks and lime scale. I think this one's leaking slightly, so I'll just be careful where I put this. I think the lid's come off a little bit, but the elbow grease washing up liquid as well is in this box. I'll show you at the end. I'll just put it all together and just show you exactly what you get for your money if you're interested in getting one of these cleaning boxes. But yeah, one of these is included. I'm a little bit covered in it though. There is honestly, there's so much in this box. Obviously I know that the washing up liquids is leaked a little bit, but everything is wrapped in these so that they don't leak. So the washing up liquid is just leaked a little bit inside of its own plastic. But yeah, they're all really well wrapped. We've got the Daily Shower Shine there, so spray and leave so you don't have to scrub. That's a good product. I'm really excited to use all these. Pine disinfectant and cleaner, so that's got natural pine oil in it. I feel like I've got the whole range now. Oh, this I definitely have. This mold and mildew blaster I have had before, should I say, because I don't think I've got any left. But this is really good as well. And then we have also got the Zesty Lemon kitchen cleaner. So these are all in the cleaning box bundle. I've forgot to mention as well, you do get one of these big dishcloths as well in there. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I think these are really big size ones as well, so it's going to last for ages. So yeah, that was what was in the cleaning box bundle, if you wanted to check it out for yourselves. So yes, that was the April spring cleaning box. That's £19.99 for all those products. But now I shall move on to some of the much more fun stuff, because cleaning, yes, we all need to clean. I do love to clean, but I've got some really cool little houseware bits as well from there, and some perfume dupes as well, which I'm so excited about. So I think this is probably my favourite thing ever. I love trays. If you have seen any of my videos before, you will know that every other one I buy a tray of some sort, especially mirrored trays. And this is just the perfect size. This is just what I feel like I need. This was £9.99 for this, which I think is really good price actually, considering all the detail and everything on the side as well. I will probably put it somewhere in the living room. It goes quite nicely with this tray actually, which was from B&M. And yeah, I just love a mirrored silver tray. I do really like gold ones as well, but I just don't really have anywhere for a gold one to go. But I thought that that was beautiful. So yeah, £9.99 for this. I also got this, which was only £4.99, and I just thought this was a good thing for me to have, because I have a lot of jewellery that is just like all over the place, and this is a mirror and a jewellery holder. So the bottom of it is like a dish, so you could put your rings in there. I'm really bad for just taking my rings off as well and putting them on the side, and then sometimes I'll wake up in the middle of the night and have a complete panic that I don't know where they are. I do that a lot. So it'd be really good if I had an actual place to put my jewellery, and then you've got all these that you can hang your bracelets, necklaces on and things like that. So yeah, I just spotted that and thought that would come in quite handy for me as somebody that is not that careful with their jewellery. This is another thing I spotted that I just think is so pretty. This would actually look really nice on that tray. I'm thinking that is going to live on there with something else pretty on there, just pretty things that Peter will look at and think, why have we got trays of empty jars? But this was £2.99. Really pretty. It's like a little perfume bottle with a little plug lid thing, and yeah, I just thought that was a really nice pretty little accessory that didn't cost very much, that I thought was going to look really nice sitting on that little silver tray. I got one of these reed diffusers for £1.99. I got it in the fresh linen scent. I haven't smelt it yet because obviously it's still in the box. They did have quite a few of these on the website, different scents. Good little gifts as well for only £1.99. I think a diffuser is always a nice present to receive from someone. I'll get it out the box. Let's have a smell. I'm always drawn to like fresh linen scents, or I get vanilla quite a lot, but sometimes vanilla can be really sickly. I just thought fresh linen would be perfect for spring, summer. Oh, that smells really nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Perfect. That again can go on my tray. It's all coming together. I also got one of these, which I have no idea really how it works. Is it just the scent is in there? So it's a car air freshener. It's by Yankee Candle, and I got the scent Fluffy Towels. So it includes a fragrant locket, a refill, a bangle and a charm. So I'm guessing, oh okay, so you just hang it up around the mirror. I feel like Peter's really going to appreciate this because he's always buying air fresheners for the car. So that goes in there and then hangs around the car. And I'm hoping because it's Yankee Candle it'll smell quite strong. Oh my gosh, that smells really strong. Woo! I hope he likes that to go in his car. That smells amazing. Right, another thing that they do on the website, which I was really excited about, I'm always saying that, I'm an excitable person, was some perfume dupes. So, big fan of perfume, not a big fan of the prices. So I thought I would try them out because they were really, really cheap. £3.99 each. So I got this one for Peter, which is a cologne that is inspired by Paco Rabanne 1 million. And then I got the Lady Million one, which is 55ml, so that's inspired by the Lady Million perfume. And then I got this one, which is Night Sky, which again is 55ml, and that is inspired by Black Opium. So I have had a spray of the Men and the Women's Millions, and they are very nice. I'm going to just spray this one. I actually can't remember the last time I smelled Black Opium, but that smells really good as well. It's like it's more like I mean, it's a good spray. That smells so good. Oh, I mean, even if it doesn't smell exactly like it, I mean, £3.99, It's really strong as well. That's an eau de toilette. Are they all eau de toilette? Yeah, that is really nice. I actually feel like that's going to be like a strong scent as well. You can definitely tell that they smell similar to the ones that they're supposed to be inspired by. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I'm really impressed actually. That's what the men's looks like. I think they look quite nice as well anyway. They're nice bottles. I'm always intrigued by these cheaper fragrances. I get intrigued by the FM fragrances a lot that you see a lot of on Instagram, and I'm always up for something cheaper that's supposed to be similar to a high-end product. Yeah, I'm really impressed with them. I can even put them on my tray. Everything can go on the tray. I also got some washing fabric conditioner. Got this big one here that was £4.49 for the Lenore Dazzle Deluxe fabric conditioner. So there's 36 washes in there, or as the way I do it, there'll probably be about 5 because I put way too much fabric conditioner in. How fancy is the bottle? Really bougie. So yeah, I normally just get Tesco's, and for Archie's clothes I always use the one that's most delicate on his skin, but I thought this would be, you know, treat myself to some for the bed covers and things like that. So thought I'd get a little bit of that. £4.49. I also picked up this for £7.99. I really like this. It's like a terracotta pot. I might actually put this outside. I have got a lot of things to show you actually. For a change, I've been to B&M and spent too much money. And Home Bargains actually. I don't know whether you're going to get fed up of those sorts of hauls, but I'm sorry, but I spend everything that I have in there. And I have bought loads of things to decorate outside, so I'm thinking this will go quite nicely with everything that I bought from there. So yeah, £7.99 for this artificial plant, obviously indoors, outdoors, whatever you want to do with it. I also got some laundry pods for £5.99. I love the fact that I've got all my cleaning stuff now without having to go anywhere. Did I say how much they were? You can't tell me, but I feel like I didn't say. I probably just said it. £5.99 if I didn't say it. If I did, I'm going mad. And there are 30 tablets in there. They are in coconut splash scent, which sounds delightful. I also got a massive box of dishwasher tablets, the Finish ones, for £9.99. So there is 86 tablets in there, so plenty to keep us going. I feel like I put the dishwasher on all the time. I feel like I'm the only one who puts any dishes in it. I don't think Peter ever puts any dishes in the dishwasher, to be honest. He does that thing of just putting them near the dishwasher. I don't understand it. Anyway, I really better not just keep bitching about Peter, but that does great on me, I'm not gonna lie. £9.99 for these Finish dishwasher tablets. Like I say, I'm all set for cleaning. I can do it all now. I also got one of these. I just thought it'd be quite good for, if you don't know, Peter's had a new barbecue. It's his pride and joy. And I saw this, and we've got them in the oven, like the mats to keep the oven more clean, to keep the oven cleaner, should I say. And this was £1.99, so you can use it in the oven. If he doesn't want to use it for the barbecue, then I can just add more to the oven or replace it. But yeah, you can put it on the grill. You can actually, oh, that's really cool. So you can just put it on the grill and then just put food straight onto it and it'll cook it without going through the gaps. So that's actually really good. I thought it was just to go like under, well, I don't know what I thought it was for. It says it's essential for any avid barbecuer. So it is essential for Peter because he is definitely an avid barbecuer. I also got some of these corn on the cob holders because on our barbecue the other day we had some corn on the cob, which I thoroughly enjoyed, but we don't have any holders, so I was just holding it. So I thought I would better get some of them. These were £1.49 and you get 8 of them. I also got some new clothes pegs for £1.29. I feel like every time summer comes and goes, when it starts to be the weather to put washing out again, half my pegs have just disappeared. I don't know what happens to them. But there is a 10 pack of these soft grip pegs. And the fact that they're soft grip says that it helps to reduce the marks on your clothes. When you have a t-shirt on and it's got a big peg mark on it, that's not the best, is it? So just thought I'd get some more of them whilst I spotted them. I also got a big shampoo. So I got this Elvive one, which I love Elvive. This is £3.99. I just feel like this always washes my hair quite nice. I do have to sort of, if I've used a certain shampoo for ages, then I do have to change to a different one. Otherwise it starts to, I feel like my hair doesn't get washed properly. But Elvive is one that I feel like it suits my hair quite well. So I just got the dull hair one. So hopefully it'll make it nice and shiny. And I also got some more hot chocolate because the boys have just gone hot chocolate mad. This is £1.59 and it is Malteser chocolate. So I'm looking forward to having one of these. You only need to add water, although with these ones, is it just me, or like I always add milk still. I'll add like a little bit of water to make it into like a paste so you don't get lumps, and then I'll always add milk. I just think it tastes so much better with milk. But yeah, just some more hot chocolate for the boys and for me, of course. And then the last item that I got was 24 rolls of toilet roll for £5.99, which I think is a really good price. And another thing that is good to buy in bulk like this, yeah, and just make sure you're stocked up on the toilet roll. So all my cleaning stuff, toilet rolls, kitchen rolls, cleaning products, I am good to go. So guys, I know that was a big old haul, so I hope you stayed with me through all of that. If you did, I appreciate it. And like I say, leave all the details below for Click Marketplace. Really great website. 20% off as well if you're a new customer. Like, that is going to get you some really good savings, so make sure you check it out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be so nice if you gave it a big thumbs up, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.